Hey Sarah, welcome to my shop. So you want to learn about car repair?
Yes, my car makes weird noises, but I don't know anything about cars.
No problem. Let's start with the basics. First, open the hood.
The hood. Oh, you mean this thing in front?
Exactly. Pull that lever inside the car first, then lift it up.
Wow, there are so many parts under here. What's this big black box?
That's the engine. It's like the heart of your car. It makes the car move.
Cool. And what about this yellow stick?
Good eye, that's the oil dipstick. You use it to check your oil level.
Hey Mike, oh sorry, I didn't know you had a student today.
No worries, Tom. Sarah, this is Tom. He's learning car repair too.
Nice to meet you. How long have you been learning?
About 2 months. Last week I changed my first tire. It was exciting.
That's awesome. I can't even change a tire. Maybe you can teach me later.
Sure, it's not hard. You just need the right tools and practice.
Okay, back to the lesson. Sarah, see this blue cap? That's for the coolant.
Coolant. What does it do?
It keeps your engine cool. Without it, your engine gets too hot and breaks.
Oh no. How often should I check it?
Once a month is good, and check your oil too.
I forgot to check mine once. My car started smoking. It was scary.
So my. I don't want that to happen to me.
Don't worry, just check it regularly. Now let's talk about the battery.
The battery. I know that one. It's like a phone battery, right?
Kind of. It gives power to start your car and run the lights.
My battery died last winter. It was so cold that morning.
What did you do?
I called Mike. He came and gave me a jump start.
That's what friends are for. Sarah, you should keep jumper cables in your car too.
Good idea. Where can I buy them?
Any auto parts store. They're not expensive, maybe $20.
Great. What else should I learn today?
Let's check your tires. Tom, want to help me teach her?
Sure, Sarah, come look at this tire. See these grooves? That's the tread.
The tread. Why is it important?
It helps your car grip the road. If the tread is too flat, it's dangerous.
How do I know if it's too flat?
Here's a trick. Put a penny in the groove. If you can see Lincoln's head, it's too flat.
That's so simple. I can remember that.
Also, check your tire pressure every month. It's easy with this gauge.
Wow, I'm learning so much. This isn't as scary as I thought.
See, cars aren't mysterious. You just need to learn the basics.
Thank you both. Can I come back next week to learn more?
Of course, next time we'll change your oil together.
And I'll teach you how to change a tire. It'll be fun.
Perfect. I'm excited. Maybe I can fix my own car one day.
That's the spirit. Every expert was once a beginner like you.
You're right. See you next week, teachers.